Hey there, this is K4A Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to connect code blocks in Scratch. As you can see in this thumbnail, there are at least two ways to do it. Sometimes you will have more than one Scratch code block on the screen, not only sometimes but mostly. You want to make more complex code, more complex games and stuff like that, so you need to add more code blocks on your coding screen. So when you add code blocks, which we have learned earlier, you also have to connect them. And as you can see, you can connect the top one, the one which is above, to the one below by dragging and connecting, and vice versa. You can also connect the bottom one, which is below, to the one above or top by clicking and dragging bottom one. So it's up to you which one you're going to choose, and there is no big difference in terms of final output. It will have to work the same at the end. So for example, if I have my cat on the screen which I want to move 10 steps, I add only one block, click on it, and it works, cat moves. But if I want to add more stuff, like wait for 1 second and then move 10 steps, I will have to find that block. Here it is under control blocks, wait for 1 second and add it, and now connecting one to another like this, top to the bottom, and now when I click on it, it will wait, then move, wait, then move. Okay, I need more stuff. I want my cat to say meow. Here it is, sound. But where? Do I want to say it on the start, like here, or at the end, like here? I think I will add it on the end, just to show you how you can add blocks from bottom to the top. So wait 1 second, okay, move 10 steps and then play sound meow. So I'm dragging the one which is below to the one which is above, and you can see how I have this gray area, like some kind of shadow, which is some visual feedback from Scratch software to tell me, okay, you are trying to connect those two. Are you going to do that? Is that what you want? If it is, just release the button, release the block, and those two will snap. Simple as that. So now when I press this code block, which is now made of 3 single blocks, and you can move them all together like this, now my cat will wait for 1 second, move 10 steps, and then play sound meow. Let's see that in action. And it works. And you can learn this better if you try to add more stuff. Anything you want. You can even make same or similar movement or code. Okay, so I want to wait 1 more second, then move 20 or 50 steps, and then say meow again. So you can see how it's easy to. And one more time. Okay, I just wanted to show you here that now I'm in some kind of problem. My cat character is now at the edge of the screen, so if I want to start all over again, I will have to click on it on the screen, on the stage, and move it like this, then use code and again and again, and I don't find that very smart or interesting, so I want Scratch to do that for me. So let's code that. Let's try to code that, and that will be the end. So when my game starts, there is a code block for that. Here it is. When the green flag is clicked, that means when the game starts. I want this guy here, this cat Scratch, to be where? Here on the left side. So I need to find the motion block which says go to, and go to where? You can see how now these numbers change. So I want it here, for example. I will click and drag it and connect it to the when green flag is clicked. I will delete this one, and I will now connect these two to this block here, and I can do it in two ways. I can click and drag this guy, this big bunch of blocks, and move it from bottom to the top, or I can click these two and drag them to connect to the one below. And now my game will start always with the cat here, and it will move, and every time I restart it, it will go to the beginning of the left screen. So that's it. You can try to build upon these code blocks and try to make some new stuff. I'm going to stop here, and that will be for this video, for this lesson. I hope it helped you, and I hope I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye for now.